Kapan, the capital of Armenian Saronic province, is surrounded by majestic mountains and rich cultural history. It serves as an excellent spot for travelers heading toward southern Armenia or Nagorno-Karabakh. While small, the town offers a surprisingly good mix of hotels ranging from family-run guest houses and mid-range stays to modern resorts. Visitors to Kapan will find comfort, hospitality, and a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in authentic Armenian life. The first one is Hotel Oasis. Hotel Oasis is one of the most popular hotel in Kapan, offering clean rooms, friendly service, and a peaceful environment. The staff is known for their attentiveness and warm hospitality, making every guest feel welcome. Its location near the town center provides easy access to shops and attractions. Guests often highlight the quality of the breakfast and the overall value for money. The second one is Sionic Hotel. Sionic Hotel is a modern choice with amenities such as fitness room, billboard, and even yoga facilities. The rooms are well maintained and spacious with reliable Wi-Fi for business or leisure travelers. Guests appreciate the efficient airport shuttle service and the sportive staff. The hotel's mix of activity and relaxation make it a well-rounded option. The third one is Grand Hotel Kapan. Grand Hotel Kapan offers a combination of comfort and fun, featuring cozy family rooms, a garden, and even a private zip line. The setting is scenic, surrounded by natural beauty that enhances the stay. Families is in particular enjoy the playful amenities that make the property stands out. With a balance of comfort and adventure, it's a memorable choice. The fourth one is Golden Kapan. Golden Kapan provide a mix of simplicity and convenience with its on-site restaurant, bar and garden. Rooms are straightforward yet comfortable, supported by a 24 hours front desk. Its central location make it easy for guests to explore Kapan's highlights. Visitors often recommend it for its balance of affordability and service. The fifth one is Prince Hotel Kapan. Prince Hotel offers well-furnished rooms, many with balconies that open to mountains or city views. Guests especially appreciate the quality of breakfast and the quiet ambience. Its proximity to central Kapan means local shops and restaurants are within walking distance. It's a good option for travelers who want both comfort and accessibility. The next one is Regal Hotel. Regal Hotel combines tasteful design with thoughtful service, creating a refined yet welcoming experience. The backyard area is pleasant place for relaxation and the staff are eager to assist with tours and local tips. Guests enjoy the clean environment and a peaceful setting despite its central location. It's a blend of style, convenience and value. The next one is Navasar Resort. Navasar Resort offers chalet style accommodation surrounded by greenery, ideal for guests seeking peace and privacy. Each unit provides a homely atmosphere with clean facilities and attentive hosts. The claim environment make it a favorite for longer stays or family retreats. Its reputation for comfort and warmth make it stand out. The next one is Sanath Hotel. Sanath Hotel is a small property that emphasizes intimacy and personalized service. With only a handful of rooms, it ensures guests enjoy quiet stays. The staff are praised for its friendliness and dedication, making it a reliable option. Travelers who prefer a less commercial, more homely experience find it appealing. The last one is Me and Max. Me and Max is known for its modern interiors, affordable rates, and efficient service. The rooms are clean with contemporary decor that appeals to younger travelers or business guests. Guests also appreciate its convenient location, making it easy to explore Kapan. It's a practical and stylish mid-range option. The last one is Kapan Center Hotel. Kapan Center Hotel is a straightforward yet dependable choice located conveniently within the city. It offers features like a private terrace, parking, and functional rooms for a hassle free stay. Guests like its practicality, especially for short visits or overnight stays. It's a simple but efficient base for exploring the region. Couples Hotel reflects the warm, welcoming nature of Armenia itself, modest in size but rich in comfort, hospitality, and character. From modern hotels with full amenities to cozy, family run resorts surrounded by mountains, each option ensures visitors leave it with fond memories. Staying in Kapan means not only enjoying restful nights but also experiencing the true charm of southern Armenia.